Hey, so we're back out here riding again. Shawn actually brought his four-wheeler this time so we can have some fun. We actually, if you've seen in our last video, we stripped out the rear hub and keyway and the shaft. So we got that repaired with a much heavier one. And also for you guys that asked about the fender, we got it put on.
That's right.
Looks
back
cool.
by popular demand. The fender is on now. And this is where we replaced that hub with a much heavier duty hub in there. So that's a lot better now.
Oh yeah, and we did some other improvements. Shawn got the front control arms painted and the wheels painted in the front so they kind of match the rear better. Also, we went up a couple sizes in the main jet, so the top end should be quite a bit better. We threw our shifter grip on here, just kind of tidied up a few things. Yeah, so it's looking pretty good.
Yeah, we did a lot of this off camera because, you know, it's stuff you guys have already seen us do. So we just went ahead and did it and got it done so we can come out and have some fun. All right, guys, you heard me talk about my four-wheeler here and there a little bit, but just kind of like formally introducing it to our channel. It's a 2008 TRX450 Honda, obviously. A couple of little things I have done to it. I changed the tires to a different set of tires. Jetted up, and I put a, let me come a little bit closer, Kurt. I've got a K&N, it's a little dirty, but a K&N power lid and a K&N filter inside there. Has a Pro Circuit T4 slip-on. So like I have that done. Other than that, that's about it for performance stuff. Obviously I jetted up, and I have a Poison PowerShot 3 accelerator pump in it. But rips pretty good, it's a lot of fun. And I think that's enough talking. Let's go riding.
Well,
much better. It almost seems like when you go full wide open throttle, it just needs maybe a tiny bit more.
a little more.
I don't know. Plus, I don't know if that or if I'm hitting the red limit. But it just seems like the power comes on way stronger now.
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah.
so I wonder. Yeah, going up one size might be the key.
Go up one more on the jet, you think?
Yeah.
We could try it. I think we have one more size bigger.
But it's definitely noticeable from before till now.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
So
Definitely, yeah, for sure.
it sounds good. All right, so we're gonna head over to the trailer and we're gonna up the main jet one more size. It feels like we just need a little more fuel at top end. It's really close, but we're gonna go one size bigger and see if it makes a difference. All right, guys, so Shawn's changing the jet on the carburetor to go up one size. I wanted to let you guys know we have our idea for our next build. We're gonna reveal it towards the end of our video, so keep watching. But for now, we're gonna get this done and get riding.
do you think? Is it running a little bit better?
Wow, that jetting is way more improved.
Is it?
It just, yeah, it's crazy. Even mid-range to upper, there's no cutout.
Oh, cool.
It's like a whole different machine. And then going up to sprocket teeth, it's fast. Like it's hugeable. And here's the thing, with the better jetting, you don't lose any power.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you don't have any bog or anything. It doesn't seem like
maybe
it.
It would bog if we kind of geared it up.
Yeah.
But with that jetting right now, it hauls. I mean, it's more torquey than it was the first time.
And it sounds, I mean, it just sounds, it's not breaking up as it goes through the RPM range.
I mean, it holds you in the seat.
Okay,
like, when you
good.
get on it, it's really good.
Good. Well,
Nice. Big improvement.
time to have some more fun. All right, guys, we took a little break from riding Not So Simplicity in the 450s. So we have our next project. We're building a Subaru. No, I'm just kidding. We're not really gonna do that. This is our parts car for our next project.
Yes, so we got to check this thing out. It's very custom. From the carbon fiber stick-on the front, all the way back to the laminate flooring.
This thing's got wood floors.
Yes, and check out the ceiling.
An epic headliner.
That is also a stabilizer, because you need that.
Oh yeah.
So this is pretty sweet. Then we move up to the gear select. Looks like a floor jack handle.
This is like a floor jack handle somebody used, and then you just push down and put it in gear.
And the custom
carbon fiber wrap.
Yes, and the hood latch. And the beautiful motor.
And this awesome boxer engine, 2.5 or whatever it is.
Yeah, this is definitely a piece of work. Custom flap here. I don't know, good airflow at 120 plus miles per hour.
So guys, our plan for this is actually to use for our cross cart build. We put this out in the last video and you guys voted, and you voted cross cart. So our plan is to build a cross cart, and I have that 600cc crotch rocket that we're going to take the engine out of, and we want to make it 4-wheel drive, and this is the ticket. So we're going to use the differential, the rear differential for that, and use the CV axles, possibly use the same in the front, just flip it. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of our idea, guys, and we're going to use a lot of parts, a lot of the wheels, the differentials, the axles, all that stuff, and we're going to tear this thing apart and use it for all of our parts for our build. So stay tuned, guys, and make sure to subscribe, and you're going to want to see this build. That's not supposed to happen.
Huh. All right, guys, so it broke. So the tie rod end snapped off the steering. So that's not good. So what was happening, I actually came flying over here. I jumped this little hill, and when I came down, I went over this, hit it, and the wheel snapped in, and then I bounced a few times, and that's where it stopped.
Yep, came sliding to a stop.
It was a little scary when your wheels toe in when you're moving pretty good, but that's all right. It's better here than in the trail.
All right, guys, gonna wrap this one up here. Let us know in the comments what you think about our next project and what you think about Not So Simplicity. It's been a lot of fun, man. We were actually able to ride it pretty hard today, and we had a great time. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, leave us a comment. We appreciate it. It helps us out big time. And thanks for watching Cracked Housing Fab. Oh. Apparently.
First time? That gearing is higher.
Gearing, it takes some getting used to.